Are you having troubles having confidence in the payment estimate that you're coming up with? Or are you seeing multiple results for the same property when it comes to estimating a payment? Happens all the time. So I want to share with you a tool that I have had for years on my phone. And it's a link, and I can send it to you to put on your own phone and use it exactly like I do to come up with the most accurate payment estimate possible. And I'm going to show you how it works real quick. This is the home screen. There are some really good resources with some videos, some lists that will help you be prepared for your home loan process. But at the bottom is the best tool out of this whole thing. It's your calculator. So in a purchase scenario, you're going to pick which loan program you think you're going to be working with. It's pre-built with the down payment minimum requirements. So unless you're a first-time home buyer, conventional would be 5% down, and that's already built in there. You can put in an interest rate and you can ballpark it. You can text me, just kind of see what the going rate might be. Your loan term, it's pre-built with a 30-year term just because that's most typical to what we'll use. And then your property taxes. So it wants you to put in the amount per year. It also wants you to put in insurance per year. So for the taxes, here's what I do. In this example, I used this listing, purchase price $314,900. To get the taxes, you go down to property history, and right there is your number that's probably the same as what the county has on record as well. So you're going to come pull this number, put in your property tax line, and then for homeowners insurance, I will usually ballpark it at about 1% of the purchase price. So $3,300 a year is not quite 1%, but I feel like it'll probably be pretty close. So 1% is your default if you're not sure. And then if you're a first-time home buyer, you can tell it that. It's going to automatically calculate mortgage insurance on the backside. If you know your credit score, go ahead and put it in there. Otherwise, it's going to assume you're approximately a 720. Hit calculate. And there you go. You've got your principal and interest, which is just the house, homeowners insurance, mortgage insurance, taxes. If there are HOA costs, you can put that in there as well. But that gives you your total payment estimate of $2,767 a month. And then it also reminds you of what your total loan amount would be. So this is a super great tool. If I'm at a ball game or I'm not in front of the computer and you text me and ask me for a payment estimate on a property, this is exactly what I'm using to come up with it. So the trick is to always go get those property taxes off of the listing so that it's as accurate as possible. Hopefully this is helpful for you to come up with a little bit more of an accurate payment estimate while you're shopping online, or even if you've viewed some homes that you really like.